at 3 minute there. It just wasn't clean. So far, it's doing all right. Hasn't taken IRL buy side yet. About a minute and a half. Market open. $20. 10. You're in longs. All right. So yeah, it's looking bullish. Looking bullish. Didn't like it again because ES didn't take Asia low. Um, We can definitely look for shorts once both indices take London high, because we'll be delivering from a bearish gap. I like this buy side line for NQ. We have a 15-minute bearish gap. We're entering right there. There's no other gaps below it. Unless we want to sweep and go right after London high. I don't think so. They are kind of stacked here though, so we could look for shorts. A plus setup after London high. It's just not a high time frame. Sweet. Oh yeah, it is. And we'd be delivering out of the 4-hour bearish. So yeah, as soon as London high is taken, we could look for that. A lot of targets here for the long. If people are in the long, a lot of equal highs. Just chilling. Watching price. I wish I took that 3 minutes. Just this was not so clean. The swing low delivery was. That's why it was really good. And we had a higher low here. Would have been better if there was a little SMT if one of these took the sell side. And then if this had less candles to close over, you know, if this one candle closed over, we were in the long. But that one just too many candles there. Trying to get up into premium while ES is, so there might be a bearish SMT here forming later on. If ES can sweep more buy side, NQ does not. But I definitely want London high to get hit on both those. We got to enter that 4-hour bearish gap. Was MNQ not? Yeah, did you hit your break even? That would have been a point. Hopefully you were re-entered. Remember, we're stuck in a bearish range, high time frame, right? Overnight sessions were tight as far as highs go inside of a bearish gap. We have lows down here, and then below that, keep in mind we have these equal lows, relative equal lows in the bearish bullish gap there. That's a huge liquidity pool. Fuck. Jesus, right here. Look at this. Something's gonna tap that eventually. Oh, I'm so pissed I didn't take the long down there. There was a 30-second. Oh man, I should have taken that. That's all right. We still got, hey Bruce, still got London high. Might get the bearish SMT where ES takes London high and NQ stays down here, delivers from this bearish gap inside London session. That's a crazy move to play, but could get it. I thought you said 25.52. I would start trailing. Oh, yeah, this was a great long. That was the play right there. Pre-market delivery. We should have taken that. I was waiting for the 3 minute, and what a doofus. It's all right. There will be another move, I'm sure. Yeah, definitely should wait for this to get swept. Definitely should wait for like 10 a.m. We also have 10 a.m. orange folder news, which could help. Just a little bit. Also fix my alerts. Check it out. It makes sound now. Oh, that's fine. Oh, fuck. Is it not making sound again? Come on. There it is. There's the peak. All right. We're getting a little swing high formation here. Maybe ES just comes up and takes London high. just chilling. Oh, there we go. Okay. ES just took London high. Nice, Ryan. Waiting for NQ to take London high, then shorts are valid. Ideally, it'll be when price enters this swing high and delivers out of that bearish gap. But as soon as NQ takes that, shorts are pretty valid. All right, we are. Oof, it's so close. That can't be where it reverses. Because remember, there's a little bit more liquidity above. Don't get caught. Wouldn't take that. NQ still has to take London high. It has not. And there's this liquidity. There's this bearish gap right above on buy side. So it's not a 5 minute, it's just a 15-minute gap right up here. A lot of room on the 4 hour. We still haven't entered that on NQ. Keep that in mind. All right, let's be patient. Patience. All right, NQ just took London high. Probably going to keep moving on up a little bit. Again, we can look for a short. NQ's now in the 4 hour bearish. It would be A plus though if NQ could just take this buy side level. ES has just a little bit more for its. So I think we want to wait just a smidge.
Levy, that was a banger, bro.
Yeah, dude, really good trade.
Oh my gosh. Bro, we close on every single time frame before open. 3, 4, 5. Went a little heavier than I should have, but got break even, re-entered. Moved up to break even once we took that recent high, and then it was game over from that point on.
Yeah, that was fucking sweet. How many points? 100
Just
something?
I got in at 25, 2505, and then I got out at 25, 25 110.
Yeah.
I started trailing once we started lagging at that high. I knew we were probably gonna hit it, but figured I'd just start trailing just in case if there was like a. I mean, you get a 40 point candle up, you can always get a 40 point candle down. So wish I would have held though. In hindsight.
Nah, you swept the overnight session. Now we're in a bearish gap. It's very smart.
Yep.
We're looking at
Yep.
shorts now. Shorts are official. We're in the 10 a.m. macro, and it's almost 10 a.m. It was,
1000%.
yeah, the total game. Plus, you did heavier size, right?
Yeah. I went a little heavier
Yeah, it's tough.
than I do all the time. So, um, but yeah, trade worked out. Risked properly. Went break even once we took the high. Risk free trade.
Very nice. Very nice.
Alrighty.
Well, enjoy your day.
Yep. You as well, brother. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Later, bro.
Peace.
Peace.
Come on, give us a setup. This will be the first inversion after a pump, so let's probably not take this. We're not getting a market structure shift. This is still just low, higher, low. We're creating a higher low. This was a high, higher, high. You know, we have to come down here, come up, respect a bearish gap, creating a lower high from this. Then we would enter off that. It's just not the best place to just be taking like snap first inversion. You know, after this, after buy side here, 100%. 100%. Because there's 6 minutes left. We could come up, take it. 4 hour has also 6 minutes. Probably going to stay under it then. Nice, Jay. Took the long. Great work. Great work. Markets are a little more green. going to push up a little bit more. We still have more time on the 10 a.m. here, but we don't want the 4 hour to close over, right? So I think this will stay below, and then we'll push up in a new candle and then come down. This is not the high of the swing high. I think there'll be a new candle here somewhere when we come down, if anything, unless we're going to just pump up. ES is already starting a little bit on its way down. NQ, I want that buy side. ES is bleeding. NQ, I think, wants this still. Of course, bro. Happy for you. That's fucking awesome. Did you, hang on, let me look at the. Yeah, bro, write a testimonial. Go to the testimonials page. It would help me out a lot if you could write something there. Talk about that payout. Put it in profits too, or chat. Make a story on Instagram. Tag me. I'll post it. I'm trying to build this thing. I still haven't started my ad campaign yet. All right, hang on. We got to pay attention here. There's still that liquidity right up there, but this is
Order filled.
I'll try it. I'll try it. Super small. It's not my liquidity draw. I want still buy side right there. The problem is ES did it. ES already tapped into it, see? And we're getting a pretty strong reaction, so gotta give it a shot. Come on. Oh, it's not so textbook. I did really want that buy side to get swept, the internal buy side on NQ, but I don't. It's not going to do it. I am in the short. I took smaller size because we're not taking any high. There's no like high time frame wick here that we took. It's this. We are in the 4-hour gap. And we're about to have the 10 a.m. candle close below, so indicating we may not go full bullish mode. So that's still like good. See, 2 seconds left, 1 second left. We're closing way under. See? Everyone sees that? So that's good. This isn't good though. From my position.
Stop filled.
Yeah, stop that. That's fine. Gonna wait for, again, that liquidity pool. That's the short right there. Oh, don't tell me it's gonna fucking do that. There you go. Still waiting. Looks like we're gonna take, ES might stay down and NQ might pop up and grab that buy side. And that could be our reversal short. Okay, this right here, I will probably take this 2 minute. Because this will close on there. No, I'm not still sure. I got stopped out. I also don't like this anymore. I really wanted something with greater momentum. Yeah, and it's right up there, the buy side liquidity. So yeah, gonna wait.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm muted. Sorry. So I was saying there's a chance this will work. Probably not. I hated taking it after the fact that all of these candles it took to close under. There's just no momentum. And then the buy side is still right here. NQ probably wants that right there. The only thing that's helping us is we're inside the 4-hour bearish. We have a swing high. That's it. That's a good reaction. Keep going, NQ. Close under. Or don't, whatever. That's fine, that's up to you. ES is pulling us back down to discount. Let's go. All right, so We need a little displacement into discount. ES needs to like get down in there. You know, we just have one little body here on the 32nd with an inversion off the discount. So that's not good. That's not too good. Holy shit. Let's react inside that bearish gap. Or not. Stopped.
Stop filled.
All right, well. Seems like we're, dare I say, bullish. I mean, now I'm definitely going to wait for this level to get hit. We're not inside a clear hourly fair value gap. We are inside the 4 hour. Plenty of time to come up more in the 4 hour, act bearishly, reverse, to not close bullish. All right, now we wait. probably gonna change my bias. I know it sounds fucking crazy. If this closes over, I'm taking this order block. I'm taking this order block. We're gonna run these stacked highs on ES. That'll push us higher. Liquidity's at the buy side there. Maybe we'll run through it. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right. Okay, we're gonna try that. And that's it for this morning. I switched buys. We have to wait now 2.5 minutes for order block confirmation on the 15. That's a lot stronger. So I definitely want in the next 2.5 minutes for that to close over the body of the red. I also wouldn't mind the 5 minutes to close over on ES, which it'll do if it confirms the order block on the 15. No, that's not going to be it. Oh. I don't think we're going to get that 15-minute order block confirmation. Don't think so. Unless it just pumps. All right. Go ahead and pump up. Because the draw liquidity is buy side. Yeah, we're just stuck in a kill zone, a fucking macro. Alright, I'm gonna step away now for a minute and I'm gonna wait for major liquidity to be swept because this is absolutely fucking atrocious. Now you're consolidating here. Yeah, fucking, yeah. Piece of shit. Come on. These highs. We're looking a lot more bullish now. 15-minute order block will be confirmed in 9 minutes. The 5-minute had a propulsion block. If this closes over here, we have a propulsion block. On the 3-minute, that's a propulsion block. Let's fucking go. Let's push the buy side. Let's go. Oh shit. Revert. Reverse the magnet now. That was a close one. We almost lost all the magnetism. See how we dipped a little there? That was the magnet going in reverse. It'll pick back up. The magnet's in the right direction now, so we're good. Yep. Well, that got a little bit stressful, I'm going to be honest. Let me show you a screenshot real quick of my stop loss. You're not going to believe it. I mean, we're not out of the trade yet, but we're awfully close to break even. But let me just really quick, let me show you how close I was. This is the definition of edged. I don't think there's a gap there. I think it touched my stop loss. But we're still in. As soon as we hit that marker, I'm gonna move stop to break even. Fuck. See, this is the problem. This is the problem with me taking these intermittent trades because now I want to hold obviously through the internal buy side on NQ. But the way this looks, if it just keeps pumping, this is not the turnaround. We could get a pullback quite a bit from entering this bearish gap. But the aim, we have stacked highs here. The aim would be London high here or the start of this, 245. I don't know. I'm definitely moving stop to break even as soon as we take 19250. Yeah, that's unfortunate. God damn. What do we do? Yeah, I suppose if we push through, we're going to keep pushing through. ES has already done this and is looking bullish. So I don't think 19250 would be the target. It would have been for my short if I wasn't in the long, but I'm now convincing myself to stay in the long longer. What do we do? What do we do? All right, yeah, so on the hourly, we dipped into this. Ugh. Anybody in the long with me? I know it was a really sketchy place to go long. Anybody in there previously? I think some of you took the longs before or out of this retracement. That was a much better place to take the longs out of. And then obviously the pre-market 30-second here was absolute money, just to recap here. So sometimes right before market open, this was like 9:10. There's a little bit of a move. So you can see we were kind of heading towards sell side. We didn't take it on either. And this was where it got confusing because ES didn't take Asia low, right? So that's where it got a little confusing. And they both delivered with no bullish SMT. You know, neither one of these swept the previous low. So we lack those confluences. But the wick here was really nice on NQ. I think on the minute. Yeah, NQ was delivering. No. Yeah, on the 2-minute one I was delivering, but on the 30-second, you could have taken that long. On the 2-minute, it was also even more clean. Right here. Super, super clean. So it was like a 20-point stop, 25-point stop. Yeah. So it still hasn't actually taken the buy side there. So that's a pullback. That's just a pullback to grab it. Hoping that indicates we're gonna just slam through the buy side IRL, the blue line right here, because that's quite a pullback prior to hitting it. And this is still that internal high that ES did take. See that high here? ES took it, and NQ has not. This is 19225. This high here is 190. You know, we're 2 points away. So it mechanically has to come up and at least take the blue line. The alert line is a daily low. It's this daily low. So we might retrace the daily gap and respect it bearishly. That's just why I marked it. I don't think that's really going to be the case, but I just wanted to, you know, point it out. You have a good opportunity here again for a long, although we're in premium, so it's not A plus. Might be A minus at best. B plus. We didn't sweep any real sell side. No major liquidity sweep. We would be delivering right here. So, yeah, that close over there was, yeah, look at that. Jesus, it's popping. And so now, as soon as we take this, I'll go stop to break even. Any questions? Gabriel, Alan, Blake, Ethan, Jay? Anybody? Throw it in the chat. Would like to see this closing over. That would, again, just propulsion block. Just watching, Jay. Yeah, you took your profits, bro. That's awesome. So I'm happy you're just sitting and watching and learning. It's just more exposure. More exposure just helps. All right. So we're getting close to that daily low. Close to the daily low. A lot of time. We can't use the 4 hour here for bias if we're bullish or bearish. We've got 3 hours till this candle prints. So it just doesn't help at all. I will say though that we're respecting the bearish on ES tremendously because our body is still way below. We're inside the gap, whereas NQ is pushing. And then no hourly gaps to have inverse bullish on, except for at the bottom there. So once we hit a certain buy side, there's a good chance we can come down and take this internal low, 25.83, 84. This is on the 1 hour. And then we react again bullishly out of here. We could just tap that. I'm just always thinking about what else could happen as soon as we hit more buy side IRL. Hopefully we hit this alert, this dashed line, and we just kind of power through it. We just get built momentum because we're pushing through that daily low candle. Okay, so yeah. Stop loss to break even. Bruce, let me see that. Bruce, can I see that? Let me see that toy. I want to show the viewers. Come back. Show the viewers your new toys. All right, Bruce got some new toys. I'm doing show and tell right now. Oh shit, we're dumping. We got Halloween lamb chop. It's already fucked up. All the squeakers are ripped out. Every toe squeaker. And then we got this fucking bat or something. I don't know what that is, but Bruce has already killed this thing too. Yeah. Bruce. Oh. Oh no, fuck. Right where I said we would dump. And we got the 1050 macro. Oh god, that's awful. It's awful. Oh, I hope it just keeps pushing. I hope it does. Because we would have taken this short if we were patient. Let us pray. We haven't prayed in a while. We will pray. Dear Jesus. Please make this not be the dump. No. Oh my god. Come on, please. We did sweep the IRL buy side. We're delivering from the 15-minute bearish. We're back in tune with ES. We do have a little more room for the daily low. Versus stress too. He's looking. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. lower time frame bearish SMT.
Stop filled.
Fuck. Stopped. Break even trade. Wow. Fuck off. Oh, that's the short that I like.
Order filled.
Damn, I thought that was going to deliver. Huh. Well, now we have the bearish SMT. We took the high here. We're delivering from the 15-minute gap. We do have stacked lows here a little bit. It's not a ton, so we don't have to necessarily go for that. Hopefully you guys are out break even. As far as another short opportunity, would have to take out some other significant buy side. That was going to be it. And then for the long, we need to come down further for long. So shorts don't look bad at all here. They don't. We have the bearish SMT, right? Little lower time frame. NQ swept the buy side. ES is staying bearish. We have an inversion. We have no bearish gap that we're delivering from. Yep, so that spot was a great place to take the short. 15-minute bearish gap we're delivering from. Back in sync, so no divergence on the higher time frame, the 15-minute bearish SMT, right? Because we just swept the same internal high. Same thing, hourly, just dipped into that. This has just been difficult. We got taken out of the long. No good reversal. Yeah. All right. Oh, we're gonna dump. Dump, 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 dump. It's definitely holding the bearish SMT on the lower time frame. Holding it. Huh. Huh. Nah. We'll see ya. If we pull back enough, if we can pull back and take out this low on either index, I'll look for a long. We can pump more for longs, but right now looks like we're just on a crash course for a buy side. It's definitely big time consolidating, and we had a first dump, a little manipulation here. Bearish SMT still holding, so there's a chance we can. There's a chance we can dump off of this. There's a chance. It's fucking small. There we go. A little bit of momentum's been built. Wasn't worried about this at all. Break even will be the low marked with the alert. That's only an internal low. You could do break even down here if you're in the short. If not, no worries. So, moral of the story for today, could have taken the short from the very beginning pre-market, the 30-second or 2-minute long, up to our zone that I marked off, because that was so far the place where we have, well, we haven't distributed yet, but it was a valid short from that 15-minute bearish gap. So once again, got to stay more patient. Some days the reversal happens very quick. I mean, this morning there was a huge long we could have gotten. Huge long. You could have gotten it at like 960 or 970. You could have held it to literally the blue line. Yeah, that would have been amazing. So now we have a little internal bullish SMT. ES has swept all of these lows. NQ has to work its way down now. This could be a nice order block confirmed right there. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna let Bruce outside. Let's pop it a bit. No more bullish SMT here. Could be a nice stop hunt. I'm not sure. You know, we definitely closed below these bullish gaps here. All right, I'll be back. Oh boy. Popping back up. All right, I guess we're done for the morning.
Stop filled.
That's it. Sorry, guys. Missed the long.